see a semi with onions on it. I think, man, one of these days I'm going to find one, and I'm going to grab some of those onions. And most of them look like they're clean to heck, but I'm still going to pick some up. Because, if you see, today's the day. The other day, the onion bag fell off the truck. There it is. Okay, so we got back up here. We got our roadkill now. We're going to put our roadkill on the back of the truck. You see it here? Oh, it's a nice place. Put that right in here. Now we just got to get it back to the house. Start making some breakfast. As you might imagine, with any roadkill, you got to get it home quickly and prepare it while it's still fresh. So, we got to wash it off some here. Get it cleaned up. And we got to get it back over here while it's still fresh and, you know, get it prepped. Got to clean that stuff up so that way it's good and ready to go. This one took a pretty good hit. Sometimes you lose a little bit of your roadkill and damage. That's going to be the case this morning here. We're not going to be able to salvage this whole piece right here. Now, we got to take that out. It's normal for a good roadkill hit. You got to take some of it off. So, take this outer layer off and get rid of the bruising. You don't want to keep that bruising. Off. Go over here to the sink, we'll get her all washed up so she's ready to use. Okay, once you have it nice and clean, then you got to get it out here on your plate and you got to start cutting it up to use it. So we get this dude all cut up. Dice it up, and then we're going to get it in our frying pan. We'll get our frying pan over here. Like I said, you got to prepare your roadkill quick because you don't want it to spoil. Especially when it's hot like it is today, you got to find it early, and then you got to get it done. Alright, so I won't bore you with the details of processing the rest of it, as you've seen how to do it now. And you can tell my time is being demanded, because something obviously very important is happening. Oh, he needs that thing off his head. That makes sense, he's got a helmet on, and he'd like to not have it on anymore. That seems like a good reason for that. So we're getting out the olive oil, 2 grams of fat per tablespoon. Wow. I guess we'll check here. And let's see, we got a tablespoon to use. That is a tablespoon. So we get 2 grams of fat per tablespoon. We're going to put 2 of them in here. Because I think, you know, we got quite a bit of onion. You're going to need 2, I think. 4 grams of fat, the whole thing. So it's not too bad. Well, the lid's not staying on it real well, but that's okay. We don't care about that. I was going to use my hand. I don't know why. I've never done that before. So we'll just scoop this around in here a little bit, get that oil over them. And we're going to turn them on and start cooking around. Oh yeah, that's nice. Get that started. Burner side here. I got a little hot. Let's see what happens. It's just onions. I didn't have anything else to put in it. That'd be great. I don't have it. So we just have our, well, onions. I mean roadkill. Okay, you can see we're working on the roadkill here. We got it in the pan. It's cooking up nicely. Oh, that steam. It looks good. Our 2 tablespoons of olive oil made it all shiny. It's cooking up good. According to the kids, none of them like onions, so we're not going to let any of them eat onions.
Figure out how to fix it.
Especially Valerie, who has said that she does not like onions. She doesn't think the onions are any good, so we're going to cook these up. And then Valerie's not going to eat any, but everybody else is going to have some onions. We'll see what happens.
I got new mosquito bites. There's one down there.
Okay, here we are with the end of our meal. We got a little more feedback to it. We added some chicken. We looked to see if we had any real roadkill, but we don't have any here. That would have been fantastic. There's nothing that would have made it better. But we might be able to make some real roadkill with some of our roadkill onions, maybe later. Because I know there's some roadkill that exists somewhere. I just gotta go find it. Alright, thanks for watching. Ooh, maybe we'll make a video of the kids eating. So here we are with our roadkill food, and Oakley and Valerie definitely approve of it. They like their roadkill food. Can you take that food back out here? Valerie, how is it?
It's really good, guys. So you should really try this.
Alright.
Onion and meat is a 6-gram fat.
6 grams of fat, that's all we got in it.